Welcome back to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. We got a lot to talk about, and as promised, we're going to get into what impact is the government shutdown having on the market right now? Where are the opportunities, and who should be refinancing right now, and who is getting scammed? And it might be somebody you know. Chances are it's somebody you know and care about. So you're going to want to pay attention to that. But before we do that, I want to give a shout out to my friends at Trinity Family Builders. So let's talk about my favorite builder partner, Trinity Family Builders. So folks, if you're looking for quality craftsmanship, like energy efficiency and beautiful homes in Central Florida, like all over Central Florida, Trinity is the name to know. They've got gorgeous communities from the 300s to the 800s, places like Trinity Place and Trinity Lakes, and many, many more throughout Central Florida. These aren't cookie cutter homes, folks. They're built for families who want lasting value. So, and here's the kicker. When you buy at Trinity Family Builders and finance through me, Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, the Lone Ranger, Trinity Family Builders will pay all your closing costs up to $35,000. That's right, $35,000 toward your closing costs. You can use it even for rate buy downs. So don't wait on the sidelines. Call me today or visit webringyouhome.com. I have a direct link to their website, but call me and I'll connect you with the right people at Trinity. And I guarantee you, you are going to love them. I had a client that went to another builder. I talked about it last week, went to another builder down the street, was under contract, and they denied the guy's loan. I picked it up. I said I could do it, but the builder wouldn't pay their closing costs if they didn't use their own builder that wouldn't approve the client. I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. So I said, where's this community? Told me it was over in Eustis. I said, go visit my friends at Trinity Family Builders. They're right down the street. 3 hours later, he calls me up. Joey, you're listening probably right now. He goes, man, that's a bigger house. It's a better house. And they're paying not 18 grand toward closing costs, but 35,000. So listen, folks, don't miss out. There you go. Trinity Family Builders. Do not pay me for that ad. I do it because these guys build the right home and take good care of their people. All right. We got a lot to cover. The Fed shutdown. Isn't it something else? Okay. Thing I don't like about it is I don't want to see people not get paid. And I think everybody's going to get paid. But I do believe that this gridlock is completely held up by the Democrats. And you know what? I want to say this to all my Democrat friends out there. I think that the country needs Democrats and Republicans. I think we need a yin and yang. There's different philosophies. Their brains work different from a Democrat to a Republican. But I'm going to tell you something right now. I think the Democrats are losing a lot of legs because as a whole, I think they're a more powerful group. Like Democrats stick together, Republicans, they don't stick together as much. They really don't. And I hate to say it because I'm a conservative. I'm really a libertarian, but I'm a conservative. And I don't think that conservatives stick up for each other or stand up for each other, or Democrats, man, they will every time. So they're a stronger group. But I think that they have gotten so far to the left that it's just killing them and it's killing everything. And they're the ones that are holding up this shutdown. They keep porking this thing full of pork belly and it just is ridiculous. So I'd like to see them get over it, but I have good news for you. Do you know that the shutdown has done very well for the bond market and interest rates even dropped a little bit lower? So it's been really good time. I've been locking people in on refinances all week, locking purchase transactions in all week. It's been crazy. My team's been working late nights. They're there to help you folks. And I'm telling you, the opportunities are there. But with all this happening, rates came down. So listen, do you know, and I want to tell you this, if you're thinking about refinancing or you know somebody that does, I need you to go to webringyouhome.com and get your application started. Believe me, get it. Even if it's not right for you to refinance right now, I will tell you that. And then I'll set you up on a target. So when that rate hits, you're ready to go. But I need to have all my material ready, all your docs ready to go. I need everything ready to go. And here's why. The last four, I've been telling you three, but now it's four. The last four opportunities where rates dropped and there was a refinance opportunity only lasted from 1 to 3 days. That's it. So, all of you that dingle dally, dilly dally around and you're like, I'll get to it, I'll get to it, I'll get to it. Just call me. We'll do it over the phone. My team will take your application over the phone, or even easier, pull off the side of the road and pick up your phone and go to webringyouhome.com and fill out the application. It's easy. And listen, I'm a direct lender. I'm in all 50 states. We don't broker our loans. I'm not a mortgage broker, folks. Those people have no control. They're no control. They can't even order an appraisal. You have to go to the lender to order the appraisal. They only facilitate the docs. And people, let me tell you, mortgage brokers aren't shopping the best rate for you. Newsflash. If they were, I'd be doing it. You know what they're doing? They're looking for the biggest commission for them. That's what they're doing. So go to a direct lender. I've got everything in-house, and I don't even sell most of my mortgages. I keep 90% of them. So the chances are you'll be making your payments, and every month you're going to get a mortgage statement, and it's going to have my handsome picture right on the front of it just before you can write your check out to me or pay it online. Either way. But I make it easy for you. Every program, FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, jumbo, construction perm, renovation loan, home equity line of credit, reverse mortgages. I can go on and on. I got lists of them here. Call me now at 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009, or webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. I'm right here and I'm wanting to help each and every one of you. So you just give me a call and we will get you all taken care of. So Tampa Bay, 813-213-4009. Hey, listen, folks, I've told you many times that I've struggled with my weight, but I lost 77 pounds with age rejuvenation. Now, age rejuvenation, I've been to a ton of different clinics, and believe me, they are not the same. This place dialed it in for me and really changed my life. So if you're feeling a little chunky, you want to lose a little weight, you're not feeling 100% when you look at yourself in the mirror, come on. You look at yourself in the mirror and you tell me if somebody else should be looking at you too. If not, then you should call me. I'll get you into age rejuvenation. They'll get you started for your first consultation for free and get you started for $100 into your program. Come on, you can't beat that. I'm going to tell you, you'll save the amount of money it cost you for this program. You'll save in food and booze. Trust me. It really is a break even, and you are great. It's better on my knees. It's better on everything. I had my buddy Alan, and he went in and he got it, and he was doing great. He was doing unbelievable. He had lost weight. He was feeling good. He was sleeping better. He had been getting headaches and they had quit coming. And you know what? His wife talked him in because he was able to get the similar medication from his doctor and it was covered by his insurance. And he went and he switched and he started getting headaches back and he started feeling pain and he couldn't sleep at night and he was starting to put back on weight and his stomach was hurting. He wasn't feeling well. I'm telling you, the doctors that prescribe this stuff are doing what they are told to do by the insurance companies for dosages, and it's just not the right thing to do. So call my friends at Age Rejuvenation. They're amazing. I know. I skip all over the place with everything I talk about. You have to remember, I'm not a professional talk show host. I'm a professional mortgage guy. That's what I am. I'm not I don't have a Harvard graduate degree in finance. I have a PhD. I have a public high school diploma. You heard me say I'm a 10th grade dropout. I did not finish the 10th grade, but I tell you what, I will stand up against anyone when it comes to what they know or don't know about my industry. I'll put myself up against any of you. I have spent my entire life wanting to dive into this business and how I could save families money, just like yours. Hey, this government shutdown, good stuff. Bonds, good. Government shutdown, though, not good, but it's good for me. It's good for my business, which means if it's good for me, it's saving you money. So if you're looking to refinance, I want you to go to webringyouhome.com, get your application made right away. Don't dilly-dally. Just go to webringyouhome.com and finish it out. If you want to buy, refinance, you get to that website and you do it. There's a button there. It says one button says buy, refinance. Push that one, brings up an application. Then it says, do you want to buy or do you want to refinance? And then he asks you a bunch of questions. That's how easy it is. And the other one is a button that says, hey, you want a home equity line of credit? Push that button. And that takes 5 minutes to apply, and you got your money in 5 days. Come on. Where are you going to go? Tampa Bay, 813-213-4009, 813-213-4009, Orlando, 407-706-3313, or webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. Tell you what I'm seeing a lot of, too, is investors picking back up again. Oh man, I bet you I had 5 new investors came to me this week alone looking for DSCRs. And a couple of them had already been to other places and shopped, and their realtor told them to call me, and they're switching over to me. So why? I got better stuff, folks. That's why. And if your real estate agent sent you to a different lender than me, fire the real estate agent. Call me. I'll get you a better mortgage, and I'll connect you with a real estate agent that will give you up to 25% of their commission back in your pocket, up to $10,000. That's right. Ask about the Loan Arranger Real Estate Rebate Program. That's right. We'll say it again. It's a mouthful. I know. The Loan Arranger Real Estate Rebate Program. I pre-vet the realtors. I won't refer you to somebody that I haven't done business with, period. It doesn't happen. So you can't get on my list unless we've done business and I see the level of professionalism that you have in your business. And if it's an alignment with mine, I will refer you. That realtor does not pay me 1 red cent to refer a client to them. And I'm referring fully approved clients, not pre-qualified clients, clients ready to go. I've already underwritten them. They're fully approved. So the referrals I give out are the best of the best of the best. I gave out 98 that closed last year, and that was only in the last half of the year. I didn't even start the program before that. So 98 fully approved clients, happy as can be, and got commission back in their pocket. The Loan Arranger Real Estate Rebate Program. Call me now at 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 for my Tampa Bay friends, or go to webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. Yeah. What else is happening for you first-time home buyers that are sitting on the fence? Why are you procrastinating? First of all, there's no such thing as a rich renter. You do realize that, right? That there is no, you look around the room, you go to any meeting, any event, anything of any kind, anywhere, and you show me the people that own homes and you show me the people that rent, and I'll show you who has the most money in the bank, including equity in a home, because renters don't have any money. The average renter in America has less than $10,000 in the bank. The average homeowner has $230,000. Which one do you want to be? My son, he barely makes enough money every month to live on. He works for a charity organization. He doesn't make a lot of money, but he bought a home the way dad told him to do. And he's already got almost $200,000 in equity, and he's only at it for about 4 years. $200,000 in equity in that property. So stop screwing around, folks. Call the Loan Arranger. Let me help your kids, your grandkids, your uncles, your aunts. I'm at webringyouhome.com. I got 5-minute break here. I don't want you to go anywhere because I got more to talk about, things that are going to save you money. And I want to talk about who's getting scammed right now because it's somebody you know. I'll be back in 5 minutes. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com.